Hi, I'm Dave. I head up customer success for Mailjet in the US. You probably know what an open rate is, just the frequency at which your users are actually opening your emails when they get them. But open rate is really important because it's one of the key factors, one of the key indicators that's going to help you either get into the inbox or land in the spam folder. So what's a good open rate? The answer is that it really depends. Depends on what kind of mail you're sending. Is it marketing email, bulk mail, or transactional mail? Is it triggered by a user's action? Marketing emails tend to have lower engagement. Transactional mail that people expect, has higher engagement, higher open rates. Second, it really depends on the industry, the type of content that you're providing for your users. So you should research benchmarks in your vertical or in your industry, see where that average open rate is and shoot for that and try to exceed it if you can. The most important thing you can do is just to try to send the most timely, relevant, and personal emails as you can. Hit users with messages that they expect to receive, but also messages and content that's relevant to their interests and relevant to really what they want from you. Mailjet can help you increase your open rates by taking a deep dive into the data and information that you're already collecting about your users, whether that's their preferences or interests or how often they want to receive mail from you. Listening to your users is key, and then working with a customer success manager or a support agent on the Mailjet side can help you figure out when to send, what kind of cadence to send at, and when to sunset users when maybe they're no longer interested in receiving your mail.